ya. Oh.
Be careful.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, fuck me, sideways. Oh, that hurt. Right in the pelvis. Oh, I think I'm good. Okay. All right. Ya. Ow. We'll find it, and we'll get it. I'll get him, for sure. Wait, which one is Esme's room? Quick, which one is your room? What?
Not in here.
Well, of course it's not in here. We need to go to your room. That's where we're going. Esme!
Ryder.
I got it. I got it.
Ryder.
I got it, Esme. Stay behind me.
Don't set my room on fire.
Oh, yeah, right. I probably shouldn't set your room on fire. Okay, new plan.
Oh, we need a box.
What do you mean a
We need to
box?
chop it up and put it into the box.
What? But the enemy's right here. We can just take the block with us.
You're gonna touch it?
What's not to... No, is touching it bad?
It could be. What if it consumes you?
Tuh, nonsense. I'm unconsumable.
No, maybe it can consume you.
Tuh, if you think for
Ryder,
once...
I don't know.
Look, I am a Cambion of great strength. If you think for 1 second a block of cheese can consume me, then you're dead wrong.
Ryder.
What?
Don't be dumb.
All right, I know you care about me. Look, I care about you too. And I'm gonna do whatever it takes to get rid of this thing.
Okay, get rid of it.
All right. All right, cheese thing. You're coming with me. Esme, close your eyes. Do not look, just follow my voice. Follow my voice. Come on, this way, Esme. This way. This way, Esme. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And just follow my voice. Come on. I know exactly what to do with it. All right. Come on, yes, follow me. Be careful of the stone pillar. You're gonna watch the floor. Yeah. Watching the floor will be a better idea, because you'll know where to go. Oh shit, stairs! Hang on. Hang on. I got you. Carries you down the stairs. Carries you down the stairs. And there. Keep your eyes closed. Don't open them. Just stare at the floor if you have to. All right. Come on, Esme. We're almost there. All right, come on. All right, then. All right. Come on, Esme. Over here, this way. All right. Esme, in the likely event that I die, burying the cheese, I want you to know you've been a great friend. Now, here we go. Toria! It's gone. You can open your eyes now.
Where'd it go?
It's gone. I got rid of
What
it.
did you do?
I simply threw it in the barrel, and the barrel disintegrated in it.
That easy?
Yeah, it's that easy, like throwing away trash.
then maybe it was just a minion.
You're right. It definitely could have been a minion. We need to keep our head to our toes and our toes to our heads.
There's no way it would expose itself that easily.
You're right. You're absolutely right. And I couldn't agree more. There's got to be more to this story than meets the eye. I'm smelling a mystery.
Same. Me too.
That was the cutest thing ever. All right, let's go. Now, wait. As a detective, we need to decide on what's the best course of action. We need to start questioning people, see if they've seen any type of cheese demon anywhere.
Yeah, maybe we should start sniffing people first and then asking them.
Maybe not sniffing, but asking questions and stuff.
Okay.
All right. I'll start questioning people. You question your squad. You question your squad mates. They might know something.
I'll go with you.
All right, then you're traveling with me today.
Then it looks intimidating. Yes.
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
I'll get to the bottom of this.